I am Khushi Rai and here I am to present a PPT on methods of performance appraisal. Performance appraisal is divided into two categories: traditional methods and modern methods. The first is traditional method. These have widely used for many years and typically focus on evaluating an employee's past performance based on set criteria for most common traditional methods. First, graphic rating scale. This method involves evaluating an employee on a scale of various traits of behavior such as job knowledge, teamwork, etc. So basically, in this, the knowledge of the employee is analyzed, and on this basis, it is given a appraisal. Second, essay method. In this, the evaluator detailed description of employee's performance, conveying strength and weakness. So basically, in this, the evaluator analyze the strength and weakness of the employees. Critical incident method. The evaluator records specific incident of the employee's effective and ineffective behavior. In this, like something happens in the company, the evaluator examine the employee, and on this basis, it gives his appraisal. So next is modern method. The modern methods are developed to overcome the flaws in old performance management techniques. With changing time, traditional performance appraisal method prove no longer effective results. First is 360-degree feedback. In this, the multi-dimensional techniques of performance appraisal evaluate an employee based on feedback gathered from his managers and customers. In this, the feedback is only gathered from the within the company, that is from the peers members, the company. Second is 720-degree method. The method of demand assessment of the stakeholders and also from the group outside the company. This group consists of investor, clients, etc. and analyze the success of a company. This is the double of 360 method. In this, the evaluator not only within the country but outside the company, it is also examined and the performance appraisal is given on this basis. Third is behaviorally anchored rating method, also known as BRAS. Companies bring out quantitative and qualitative benefits with modern performance appraisal process. This method involves multiple statements and describe about employees' common behavior. In this, the behavior of the employee is examined on the basis of quantitative and qualitative method within the company. Fourth is management by objective, also known as MBO. It does not compresses the feedback that is in less time consuming, rather management by objective focus on self instruction by the employer. In the starting of the year, the employer set a target for its to what he has to do in within the year. So it examined on this basis. Next is conclusion. Performance appraisal is an important process that provides numerous benefits to both employees and organization. It helps employees identify areas for improvement, set goals, receive feedback, and receive recognition for their achievement. Thank you.